Welcome to my bedroom. Yes, I sleep on the floor. My mattress is on the floor. This is the situation. That is where I sleep. Hi team Fullest, this is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to KIKO my canal. So today I'm here to show you guys a little bedroom tour because I'm renovating, not renovating, I'm just doing a little bit of touch now and there, trying to change one or two things in the house, in the living room and in my bedroom. So I want to come and show you guys the before, and then after, when I'm done with what I'm doing, I'll show you guys the finished result, the after result. So when you stand in front of my door, when the door is closed, this is what you see. Actually, this big closet, this jacket is actually not meant to be here. I used to have a rag, a closet rag that you can hang clothes, but it's taken out at the moment. I'll explain to you guys why. So this is what you see when you stand in front of the door. So when you move towards the door, this is what you get. This is the view. I'm going to give you guys like a 360 quick in my bedroom. This is the window. My bedroom is pretty bright. I love everything to be bright. It just feels good when you wake up in the morning. You see the sunlight is bright. It feels good. It's like a good energy. I just like it. I'm the only one who like it. The kid doesn't like their room to be as this bright in the morning, but I do. So this is the bedroom. I'm gonna give you like 360. And so this is the situation. This is the door. This is where I was standing. Trying to give like a 360. That's all my stuff, you know. And then we move here, and here we have the closet. This big, gigantic mirror, like full body, full mirror, like really big. So I really like it. It makes the bedroom looks much more bigger with the mirror. So first, let's go back and show you guys like 360 how everything look. So first, that's my bed. Okay, that is my bed, guys. Okay, I'm sleeping on the floor. Reason why I'm sleeping on the floor, I'll tell you guys, you know, in a minute. But let's just jump into the stuff. But this is my bed. I have my mattress on the ground, so this is where I sleep. I have the little IKEA table like right there. Always have bottle of water in my bedroom, so because I wake up in the night, drink. I have my laptop there where I edit my videos, and in that drawer I have a lot of things, like a bunch of crazy stuff I had there. So this is it. And when you move towards this side, this is where all the beauty stuff happened. I'm going to stand right now like at the other side of the wall. So this is what you see. This is my IKEA Alex drawer. This is the 9 drawer or the 10 drawer, I don't know. And this is where I have all my makeup stuff. This is also the makeup table from IKEA. I have the stool where I sit down to film my video, my ring light. I have my little bit of plants, my flower plant there, which I really like. I love plants in my bedroom because it kind of helps with the oxygen in the bedroom. So I love plants. And here I have this drawer I got from LIPGLOSS. If you live in Holland, you know LIPGLOSS. And I have this makeup organizers which I picked up from the Bol.nl and there. And here I have all my beauty skin situation going on, and here is all my skincare product. I don't really use a lot. This is the SPF moisturizer I always use. When I tell you guys I always moisturize my face before applying my makeup, this is what I always use. And I have my vitamin E oil. I have my face moisturizer which I picked up from the Lidl, and I've been using it. I really love it. I have some of the face spray, my deodorant. This is the deo I use because I can't use the normal deodorant with perfume and all that. So this is all natural. This is really nice, and this is what I use. My body milk, I got this also from the Lidl, and I really like it. And my coconut oil. A little bit of my jewelry organizer, like where I have all my jewelries. This is not all my jewelries. Like I really have a lot of jewelries, but this is the ones I use. I have in here, and also I have a little bit of there which I use. I have like everywhere. In here I have most of the earrings that I picked up maybe when I buy new earrings and I'm trying it out. I also picked this up from Aliexpress, which is really beautiful. And some few pieces here also I picked. I think everything here is from Aliexpress. I have my necklace and the other one which says Africa, which is very beautiful. And here I have this thing which I always use to, like, you know, pull all those black things on your clothes. My perfume collection. I still haven't filled this perfume yet, but I'm going to the city soon, so I'm going to fill in this bottle. So this is everything. This is what everything looks like. Here is just clothes, my normal daily clothes. Everything is in here. And I'm going to step on the bed because I can't really, if I come closer, you guys wouldn't see anything. So this is my ring light and my 2 soft box and my stuff. This is some stuff in here that needs to go underneath the bed that is coming, but we'll talk about that later. So this is my table. This is where I sit down to film, and these are all like makeup, foundation, like everything is just in here. And here I have my hand necklace, like those things you put on your hand, like some of them like from the African piece, and these are also from Ghana. Just like the Ghanaians bead, which I really like. And I also got my hand bead hair, you know, represent. So yeah, we got this here, and I got this beautiful flower at the back, which I really like. It's a real plant, okay? It's good for oxygen, so I really like it. I have this beautiful love heart here, and behind here I have my logo, Amifullest, and behind this one I have my, you guys, microphone from the Blue Yeti microphone. And here it's just makeup and some random stuff, makeup brushes, eyelashes, camera accessories, palette, like so much makeup and other things. And here we also have makeup in there. So this is like everything. This is what my bedroom. So I love this, the way this one is, because it's easy when you want to film video. You can just sit down and start filming. Everything is already set, instead of I noticed when I always used to come and remove everything and put it back, and then when it's time to film, I don't really feel, I don't feel energy, I don't feel good to film, because everything, like, you have to put everything back together. But like this one is a really nice, because everything is just standing there. When you want to film, you can just sit down and film. The only thing is that I have to make sure I clean this every time, so that it doesn't have like dust on top of it. Like this one, have to clean it so that it doesn't have dust, because when there's a lot of dust, I get allergic reaction. So I always make sure I clean. So that's why my bedroom is like very simple. I always make sure everything is white. It's easy to clean. When there's dirt, you can definitely see there is dirt around. It's easy to clean. So yeah, and this curtain, actually, this is super bright, but I also have this black one. Like, for example, when the kids are sleeping in my bedroom, I kind of put the black one so you guys can see. You see, when I put the black one, it's a little bit darker compared to when there's no black one. But when I sleep alone, I like to just open everything to be. But when the kids are in the room, I like to make it a little bit darker, because they don't like the really bright bedroom. They don't like it. They can't sleep, and when they don't sleep, that means I do not sleep as a mom, and who have time for that? So yeah, so this is everything. I have been trying to paint that line there, but I was like, I'm going to do it today. I'm going to paint, but laziness will not allow me to do it. Laziness and tired body will not allow me. But anyway, I'm happy. And when I'm filming, you guys don't see the side, so we're cool with that. So this is how everything, and this box here is all my Aliexpress hair that I bought from Aliexpress. I haven't used yet. Like, I'm this kind of person, when I have extra money to spend, I buy stuff and I put it down, like hair. I buy the hair and I put it down, so whenever I need to do my hair, I don't need to be stressing about buying new hair. I just take this, I use. So this is hair, but this need to go under the bed. It needs to go on the bed. So here is where I have my little situation. Here I have where I have like, this is actually meant for towel, but you know, sometimes I get a little bit lazy. I put jackets and some bags that I take quick and go, and these are all like stuff I use, like those stuff you use for waist training when you are exercising. Some belt that I picked up from Aliexpress, my work bag, you know, the one you put around your waist, some monthly thing, like all this little girly stuff is in here. So this is what it is. So here now we have this big closet. I'm gonna go back, I'm gonna stand on top of the bed so you guys can see. This is my closet. This is how, hi beauties, yes, I'm feeling a bit lazy this morning. So this is my closet. Like, it's a whole mess in there. We're not gonna open that one. So this is a closet. I love the big mirror. It makes it look really nice. Extra soft box. On top of there, I have my guitar. Some of you guys don't know I love music. Music is something very close to my heart. I play guitar. I have my guitar there, which I sometimes play, not always, but I do take it down and play. And yeah, this is my closet. And underneath here, I just have like dustbin, my walk exercise stuff. I used to exercise and everything. And there is this is like a saving where I keep little scents. I know some of you guys are gonna be like, oh, what is this? So this is like, it's not really a lot in here, so it's like a saving. Tell me if you're somebody who is very annoying with scents. When you go do shopping, you get like this 1 cent, 5 cents, 10 cents. I really don't like to have that kind of money in my wallet. So whenever I went shopping and I got like cents, I always put them in here. And when it's full, I take it to the bank. I put it in my account and I got like real good money. Not that it's not a good money, it's a good money. But I just hate having that in my wallet. I just don't like it. So I keep there. When it's full, I take it to the bank, or I give it to the kids. I put it in my son's account. He take it as a bonus. So yeah, this is it. This is my room and everything. So the reason why we're sleeping on the floor, okay, let me guys tell you, is because I'm getting a new bed. Yes, I am getting a new bed. So I bought this box spring bed with storage. It's like a box spring, but then when you lift it up, you have like storage under. So that is where this extra soft box is going. The stuff there is going in there, and the Aliexpress, the hair stuff is also going in there. So I have to remove the old bed away for the new bed to come. So the new bed is going to deliver today. So that's why I removed the old bed. I'm like, you know, I don't really have time to wait for the old bed to come, for the new bed to come before I dismantle the old one. So let me just dismantle the old one, put the mattress on the ground. Let's sleep on the ground for maybe I think for 2 or 3 days, and then the new bed is coming. So today they're gonna deliver the new bed. So let me show you guys where my old bed is. My old bed is there. This is my garden. There is my old bed, the kitchen, the children toy kitchen, and the drawer, the nakash, I don't know how you call it, the side table of the bed, everything. So the government is I call the government house. They're coming to pick it up. I think after the new year, because you can only call once a month. I've already called last 2 weeks, so they couldn't come and pick it up in this December, so I have to wait after the new year, but I don't really mind. It can stay there till they come and pick it up. And then today I'm getting a new bed. Maybe because I'm so impatient, maybe when the new bed come, I'm going to fix it immediately, or I'll just wait. We just wait tomorrow to fix it. If it's not difficult, we just fix it immediately. And if it's difficult, we just wait for tomorrow. But yeah, that's the reason why I'm sleeping on the ground now. So you guys know I'm getting a new bed. I'm getting a really nice bed. And I also used to have a clothing rack here. I take it out because I felt like when the new bed is coming, we need space to fix the bed. So when I fix the bed and I feel like the space is still there, I'm going to bring in the clothing rack back, because that one is really nice. Like for example, now my jacket is hanging here. The clothing rack, I can just take my jacket and hang it on top, and it's also white, so it makes the bedroom looks really nice. So that's the reason why my bed is on the ground. I'm getting a new bed. I'm also going to the store today to get like this the thing where you hang the window curtains. That one there is kind of like a gold something. I want a white one, so I'm going to the store today. I'm going to pick a white one. We're going to fix the white one and then to get rid of that one. And then, yeah, that's it. I want everything to be white. Maybe in the future, I'm going to paint this because I already have the paint, but just a laziness will not allow me to do stuff. But yeah, this is everything. This is my bedroom. So this is the before, sleeping on the floor right now. But when when my bed came, when my bed came today, when we fixed it, I'll definitely come and give you guys an update on how everything is looking. But so far, it's really nice. I still want to buy 2 of this more. I want like 2 more to stand here. But right now, your girl is too rich. I bought a new bed. I bought a new camera. I'm trying to renovate the living room, and then after I have to move and renovate the girls' room. So your girl is too rich. Maybe on my birthday is coming next year. Okay, it's still far away, but I'm already telling people what I want for my birthday. Like, I want a makeup organizer on my birthday. Are you hearing me? Makeup organizer. So I'm already trying to like telling people what I want, you know? So don't buy me unnecessary gifts. So yeah, but yeah, this is everything. This is my room. I hope you all like this video. If you guys do, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, on my Facebook like page. All the links will be down in the description box. I'm feeling kind of cold, so that's why I'm gonna dress up like this. And it's weekend. This is what I normally like to wear in the weekend. Just go down on the couch with the kids and put on some movie. Popcorn. I know it's not evening, it's still in the daytime, but it's just like quality time, family time. But because today the bed is coming, so we want to just relax ourselves and get a little bit of energy till when the bed come, we all can just fix the bed, have enough energy to fix the bed, and maybe hopefully tonight we will sleep on our new bed. Yes, we'll sleep on our new bed. Yes. But anyway, this is the girl Amy, vergeet niet te abonneren en hopelijk jullie steeds snel mogelijk te zien. Doeg! Bye!